Diretso, diretso. Sige, try, try! Pwede yan, pwede yan, gusto!
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. Cause you burn with the God's flame, yeah. And the world's gonna know
Sige,
your
diretso, diretso.
name, and you'll be on the walls
Sige,
of
try,
the
try!
Hall of Fame. Go the distance, you can run the
Pwede yan, pwede yan, gusto!
straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records, you thought never could be broke. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. You never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day.
Nasa ano pa lang tayo? I think it's 8 fever. 8 fever.
The world's gonna know your name.
5.
Cause you burn
5 more.
God's flame. And the world's gonna know your name.
Ay, kitang dalan.
On the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. On the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the God's flame.
Bike and hike na naman po ang gawa natin sa araw.
The world's gonna know your
Kasama ko ngayon. Sir Noy.
the walls of the Hall of Fame.
Romy, ang nag-iisa. Malakas. Ito po, narisot na po kami oh. Ayan. Ito po yung mga kasama ko. Ayun, sumalo na po si Romy. Ayan oh, kasama namin. Napakaganda na naman po dito ang aming pinuntahan ngayon. At siyempre, in-explore na naman po namin ito. Ayan. Ayan. Napakaganda po ng place na to. Dito lang po sa around Pampanga po to.